in the case of ExaGrid, we're the backup storage, right? So regardless of where the data is, we're sitting behind those backup applications, whether that's Veritas Net Backup or Commvault or Veeam or Oracle Admin Direct or SQL Dumps Direct or IBM Spectrum Protect. And we support about 25 different backup applications. So whatever backup application is being used to back up that data, regardless of where the data is, a remote location, a mobile device, a public cloud, your own data centers, wherever it is, they're backing it up to ExaGrid. So we're basically the catcher's mitt, if you will. The challenge on the storage end of it is that in backup, you keep retention. You keep maybe 8 or 10 weeklies. You keep maybe 12, 24, 36 monthlies. Maybe you keep 5, 7 yearlies. And the reason why you keep this retention is for legal discovery, for financial audits, for regulatory audits, for healthcare and financial, et cetera. So as a result, not only are you keeping the most recent copy of the data, like you would in primary storage, you have to keep upwards to 50 copies of data in backup. So the backup, due to the retention, becomes a different challenge, right? And for us, all the technologies that use what's called data deduplication. Because you're keeping not one copy, but as many as 50 copies, you can't keep each one of those as a full copy. The amount of storage would be overwhelming. So what happens is you compare one backup to the next backup and only keep the changes from backup to backup to backup. And that allows you to keep 50 copies of this data, all of your retention, in a much smaller footprint. To add on top of that, what challenges happen with that is everyone but ExaGrid does this deduplication, what's called inline. They do the deduplication between the backup application and the storage itself. And as a result of that, it's really slow because you're trying to do all this massive comparison computes between the backup application and the backup storage, which slows the backups down to about a third the speed of disk. On top of that, now you go to restore. All the data is in a deduplicated format. Or you want to boot a VM. You've got to wait for all that data to be rehydrated again. So not only are the backups slow, but a restore can take hours to maybe days. In the case of VM, it might take an hour to boot a VM. And then on top of that, as the data goes from 100 terabyte to 500 terabyte to a petabyte, whatever your organization has for data, the backup window gets longer and longer and longer because you have that much more data to deduplicate. So if you only add storage behind a fixed controller, now you have the problem of you didn't add any compute. So what ExaGrid does different to address this is we do what's called tiered backup storage. So first of all, we have a front-end disk cache landing zone. So you write the data to the disk without deduplication. It keeps us at the performance of disk, which is 3 times faster than anybody doing deduplication for backup performance. So the backup window itself is much shorter. The second thing we do is we keep all the data in a front-end landing zone for the most recent backup so you can restore quickly. The data is sitting there in a regular format, not deduplicated, so that does not have to be rehydrated, and you can restore upwards to 20 times faster than deduplication appliances. And then thirdly, we're scale-out technology, meaning we have full appliances, which we'll talk about later, the new appliances we've just introduced. They're full appliances with processor, memory, networking, and storage. So as you double, triple, quadruple, quintuple the data, you double, triple, quadruple, quintuple the processor, the memory, the network ports, and the storage, so that if the backup window is 6 hours at 100 terabyte, it's 6 hours at 500 terabyte, it's 6 hours at a petabyte, it's 6 hours at 2 petabyte. So our approach is the only one in the market that has this tiered backup storage approach, with a front end tier for performance, if you will, for backup and restores, the back end for deduplicated repository, because we put all the deduplicated data in the second tier, and scale out to keep the backup window fixed length as it grows. And we're the only one on the planet with this approach.